How to turn on or turn off favorite items on your profile on Etsy. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to etsy.com and log into your account. Now go to the top right here, click on your account and click account settings. It will take you directly to this page. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go right here and click on public profile. Now after you click public profile, it will take you to this page. Scroll down until you find include on your profile and go to favorite items. Now you can enable it or disable it from here. After you finish, click save changes. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.